man. I know I said I wouldn't go live from my phone anymore, but I wanted to just do a quick one here to kind of give you guys an update as to what's going on and stuff here. All good stuff, just I've been really busy, guys, trying to finalize the studio build. I have to get the mini split installed, the HVAC or the heater, right? The AC, the reverse air conditioner, mini split, whatever you want to call it. Yo, BJ, what's happening, my man? Hey, dude, good to see you. It's been a minute. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Man, this is my I guess apology video. I've been so busy. I haven't been around a lot. I'm trying to get the studio finalized so I can move in here, and once I get moved in, it's like, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of content, a lot of live streams going on. So I have a big backlog of content to shoot. I'm trying to set up like a shoot right now to film those taping tools that were sent to me, and then I'm going to use them to finish the taping here, and and whatever little bit of sanding and taping was left here, I'll use them here, and I'll film that to demonstrate whatever I can. But we will be building mock-up walls in here, so we will show you everything from laying out your walls, framing, drywall, framing, insulating, poly, drywall, taping, and we're going to use all these tools along the way, right? Those are the tool parfait, right? The perfect tool, the French from France, right? Sent us all those taping tools. So, man, good to see you though, BJ. Good to see you, buddy, man. Yeah, I took oh yeah, check out the floor. I don't know. Hopefully the video isn't too pixelated. I'm kind of hoping, like, if I don't move around as much, maybe it won't be as pixelated, you know. But I think it might be the thickness of the walls in the garage that blocks the signal, right? Because they're really thick, eh? And I have the hardwire internet. I just don't have a router out here yet. But as soon as I plug a router out here, I'll be good to go, right? But I don't even have power out here right now because I haven't put the plugs and lights in. I have to finish painting, right? So, but yeah, the heater is a big expense, right? So it's going to be a few $1,000s. So I'm working to get money for that. And yeah, I just been working as much as I can, because we took the month off to go back home to see my parents, and so yeah, we're back and we're trying to catch up, and but yeah, so I need $3,000 to put the heater in here, right? So it's a heater and air conditioning unit, right? The mini split, the heat pump. That's what they're calling it, right? The heat pump, basically, right? So there's a few different names for it, I guess. But yeah, so but that once that's in, that's it. That, like, it's just painting and putting in lights and switches, and then I move in. Right? I can do all the rest of the finishing after I move in, right? The rest of the sound proofing and stuff, I can do all that after I move in. So, but yeah, right on. You see, I had the Team Smoke, their shoot going. Man, I gotta do something. We gotta do a collab, some of something there, BJ. Work out something. But yeah, once I'm back live streaming all the time, yeah, man, yeah, it's just, man, getting this ready, and it's too bad the internet is so bad out here right now. But once I get the power back and the router in here, then I can stream. So, man, yeah, bro, yeah, good to see you, man. So yeah, I can't find my green screen, man. I'm looking everywhere for I thought I had it up in the loft here in the garage. I thought I had it, but I can't find it, man. I went through the whole thing. I just, for the life of me, can't remember where I put my green screen. Man, I need my green screen. I want to shoot these tools. I want to like get footage of these tools and put some videos together just of the tools before I use them, right? So, and you'll send me one. Cheers, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order one off of Amazon. Just like if I can't find it, I'm just gonna have to order it off Amazon because I need to shoot this quick. I should be shooting it today, but if I can get overnight delivery, that would be good. So. I might as well just order one, really, because you can't have enough. Like now that I got the bigger space, I can use 2 green screens. I can have like a corner for a green screen, and that really you can do some cool things with. I appreciate that. Right on, BJ. I appreciate you. Right on. I think I could probably get it overnight from Amazon, though. Actually, and that's a good idea. I should just grab one. They're pretty. You can get really cheap ones on Amazon. I just need a quickie, So, did I miss? Let me see here. Did I miss anyone? No. Okay. Oh, let's stream Nightbot. Nightbot. Right on. That's I don't know. How does the stream look and sound, BJ? Usually when I go live on the phone, it's like pixelated and it looks like crap, which is different from when I'm in the studio, right? So I was at a trade show. I was at the Western Manufacturing trade show yesterday, and I got some footage from that. But I was going handheld, and that camera handheld there's no image stabilization whatsoever, right? And so I'm gonna have to just cut out whatever I can, and that's good and usable. And I'm gonna cut a couple, probably maybe a short little video, to make maybe I'll even just do a short. So I shot it all in 4K RAW. And there's some cool machines, some 3D scanning equipment, and some other machining tools and stuff like that, right? But there's this one with the robotic arm that loads I don't know, but it was a smaller show this year. It was kind of put together last minute, but I'm glad they did something though. It was good. I go every time they have a show. That was my 3rd time going, so I'm actually alumni there now, so that's kind of cool. And once you go to their shows, they let they let you in the group and stuff like that, like it's the manufacturing engineers or something group. I'm sorry, I just don't have the names off the top of my head right now, but there's too many abbreviations, right? So with letters, right? Companies are in groups. They're all WMTS or SME and right? So yeah, man. For Construction Specifications Institute, right? But yeah, I was also rewatching one of the videos, one of my what to expect for new workers videos, and reminded me that there's still some videos I got to put out on that, right? I'm far behind on content, but I went all in on this studio, and I need to get it done. So. But yeah, we're close. I have the HVAC guy coming tomorrow to give me a quote for the heat pump and a few options of what unit to get. So and then I honestly need a month probably to come up with the rest of the money. So it's a big expense. It's $3,000, and I don't want to I want to pay for it with cash. So, I'll have it. It'll be installed within the month, I'd say. So, but yeah, guys, I don't even know where I'm gonna put it, but I also have to figure out where to put the outside unit. So that has to go somewhere. And I want to make sure that doesn't get buried in snow somehow too. I bet. So I gotta be probably strategic in where I put the outdoor part of the unit, But we'll document that. I'm gonna film that, and we'll document how we install the heat pump in here. So I've documented the whole build, everything, even the floor. I got videos and pictures of the whole process. I just need to edit it all together. I did make one mistake at the end. So I got the wrong mop head to apply the finish coat, like the wax, we'll say. But it's gonna wear off eventually anyway. But you can see streaks from the mop head. I got one that was too big. Like there's two sizes, right? You got medium and large, and of course, give me the large, so you can see it come up with some streaks. But that'll all wear down. That's just the protection coat, so that'll wear down. But other than that, it looks really good, and it's well protected. I did 5 coats of the protection layer, right? So, but it's concrete. It's concrete, right? Like it's not. It's just like super protected now, and it looks cool. Right? Yeah, that was fun. That was fun. So now I know how to do it, and I'm so glad I did it. Yeah, because now I know how to do it, and I'd do it again. I'd totally do it again. You know, so. Yeah, I think it looks awesome. Man, I don't even know what time it is right now. Hey, thanks, dude. Yeah, I got it a little bit dirty for walking in with, but yeah, it looks pretty darn slick, man. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Right? So yeah, that's what I mean, like I went a little hairy canary on the floor part of it, but I went overboard on everything, so it's taken so long to build this. It's taken so long to build. I've been working on it for so long. But yeah, you money and time to do it, right? Because you got to take time to work to make the money to do it, and then you got to put the time in after to do it, right? So, and like, yeah, it cost a lot of money so far, right? It's been an awesome project. It's been fun to do, right? So yeah, we did the concrete for the beam around the perimeter for the walls, right? We did the concrete, and then we did the steel stud and insulation, poly, tape, primed it, did the flooring, right? We rented the grinder, the big floor industrial grinder, and ground the brush strokes out of this to make it flat, right? And open it up. But yeah, this used to be brush finish, right? And we took it from a brush finish to a flat epoxy, right? Right. And we did the concrete stain. And epoxy. Oh man, it's pretty cool, man. It was pretty cool. So the walls are primed, right? So my plan. This is my plan of sequence. I need to shoot the tools. Hey, Christian Hansen, man, cheers! I appreciate that. Yeah. This is the new studio. It's obviously we're still building it, but I am kind of starting to shoot things in here. But I have an extension cord running from the house out here right now because I don't have power back in here. But soon, right? I need to shoot the products. Before I get them dirty and use them, right? The tool parfait, the taping tools, I need to do product shots of those. And then I'm going to cover the floor and protect it. And then we're going to do the deficiencies in the wall, right? To final tape and get ready for final paint, which everything will be black. The walls, the ceiling, everything's going to be black. And then we're going to be putting in crown moldings, and that's for sound, because we don't want any hard corners in here, right? So we're going to be putting crown moldings in, I don't know what color I'm gonna do those yet, but well, when we get there, we'll get there. But yeah, and then once that's done, I'll be putting the switches and the plugs back in, and I'll move in. I'll do final clean out of the floor there, and then I'll move in. Hey, cheers, CXL. What's up, man? Cheers, man. How's it going, dude? Yeah, man. I've had like 10 coffees today. Well, no, 3. This is my 3rd or maybe 4th coffee day. Oh. But yeah, once yeah, moving. Then it'll be moving in time, basically, right? We got to get the heat pump installed, of course. That's a big project. Yeah, that's the big expensive, a big expensive part of it, right? So I think I spent $3,000 on the drywall and the glue, right? I think the glue was actually more than the drywall, right? But yeah, we put 70 sheets of 5/8, 10-foot 5/8 in here, right? And we used 72 tubes of the green noise dampening glue, right? So 2 tubes per sheet, right? So it was crazy. But and it was double layer 5/8, right? Double layer 5/8 on the lid and both sides of this wall, and the perimeter here is double layer 5/8 type X. So that was cool, man. So yeah, hopefully soon. But before the winter, I gotta get it double layer on the ceilings as well. Yes, yeah, and glue. The green glue, the noise dampening glue, or they call it noise proofing compound or whatever. I put that too between layers on the ceiling as well as all the walls. Both sides of this wall has the glue. Both sides of the wall I built across the front has it. But yeah. And then oh yeah, for sure, yeah. It's built on 16 gauge, 6-inch, 16 gauge steel stud. I have R20 in there. It's polyed. The ceiling and the exterior walls are polyed, and then there's a 2x4 wall on the outside of that with the siding on it, the plywood and the siding on it. So the walls are a foot thick in at the end of the day, right? So, but yeah, there's gonna be some more soundproofing I'm gonna do to the doors and the corners, and I have I found the product for up here. Well, actually, Aaron found it. Big A found it. So there's like a brush skirt that we're gonna put above here for the overhead door when it opens, right? Because there's still an overhead door, and so yeah, when it opens, it'll come through that. But yeah, I'm gonna have a brush type skirting across there for that. So yeah, Aaron found that product. Yeah, dude. So, and then of course I have I'm gonna be building sound panels out of these doors, right? So I'll be you'll see what I'm doing with the doors. But yeah, they'll be it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be it's perfectly soundproof. But yeah, guys, it's pretty cool, man. Pretty exciting. We're close. It has taken a long time, and it's taken a toll on me and Courtney for sure. Because we're putting in a lot of hours of work. She works a lot. I work a lot. You know, we have the 4 kids in total. So yeah, it's like we're just hustling, and it's like, yeah, we're close. We're close to moving in here and getting things, achieving it, right? So, it's just, yeah, it's been a long road. So we started it last summer. But we shut it down for the winter because we didn't work over the winter. And then this spring we started back in here, right? Got the drywall and insulation in, and poly and drywall, and yeah, we're going all in, finishing it this year for sure, right? So I don't think it'll ever be completely 100% finished. It might be adding and changing things, of course, but and this is just my home space, like, this is just a start, right? So, who knows, I like to be close to the children, that's like, the idea, if I can work out of the house, and be closer and more helpful to them, so, because my wife has an office job, right, so, but she's been home working because of the whole pandemic anyways, but, typically she's not, right? So, but yeah, man, exciting times, guys. What have you guys been up to? Eh? What have you guys been up to? CXL, Christian Hansen, what have you guys been up to? Yeah, I know, and that's the thing. And once I can't wait to start editing and get a good pair of studio monitors in here and start editing with them, because I've been editing with earphones forever because there's just so much noise in there. But yeah, to be able to have my own space that's quiet to work in, and concentrate and work in, and have the quiet, that I need. Oh man, it's gonna be a game changer. It's gonna be a game changer, right? So, anyways, I just wanted to jump on and let everybody know I'm still here, and I have lots of, you guys know me. I got lots of plans, and the taking the month off. I got to play catch up, and I haven't been putting out a lot of content, which is unusual, like for me, but I'm still around, and I do have some content coming. I got lots of stuff I'm working on, so don't worry about it. It'll come out soon. Okay, you guys be well. Bye for now, guys. Let me see if I can. Okay, bye, guys.